Welcome to Mazda Connected Services. From its spirited driving to its meticulously crafted interior, a Mazda is engineered to feel like a physical extension of the driver. Mazda Connected Services heightens this feeling by linking you and your vehicle via smartphone. Convenience, peace of mind, and safety are at your fingertips. Through Connected Services and the MyMazda App, you have convenient access to vehicle functions and information. It's an easy way to save time in your busy day. With remote control, you can start the internal combustion engine, so it's warmed up and ready to go when you get in the car. If your account is connected to an electric vehicle, remote control can start or stop the charging process if your Mazda is plugged into a vehicle charger. Swiping left also allows electric vehicle owners to precondition the cabin with remote climate control. To plan your trip in your Mazda electric vehicle, use the MyMazda app to search for nearby charging stations and check station availability. You can also operate door locks and find My Car lights from anywhere you have a phone signal. Vehicle status makes it easy to check if your tires have proper air pressure and if your doors are locked. The status of an electric vehicle includes the battery level, battery heater status, and charging status. If your Mazda isn't where you thought you'd parked it, you'll appreciate Vehicle Finder. You can display its location on the MyMazda map and even flash the hazards for a visual ID. Send to Car lets you set up your routes ahead of time on your smartphone, so they conveniently appear in the vehicle's navigation system as soon as you start the car. Note, you'll need to add an accessory SD card to turn on the Send to Car function, and it does not work with Apple CarPlay nor Android Auto. The SD card can be purchased at your Mazda dealer. In-car Wi-Fi turns your Mazda into a mobile hotspot, able to connect up to 5 devices to the internet. You'll also appreciate the way Connected Services keeps you up to date on the vital functions and maintenance needs of your Mazda. When you take the wheel, you'll know everything is in good shape for your drive. The Vehicle Health Report gives you a quick visual update on your vehicle's readiness for driving, including oil level and routine maintenance needs. In the unlikely event a diagnostic notice appears in your display, it will also appear in your MyMazda app. If service is needed, you can begin the scheduling procedure right in the app. With Connected Services, you also have the peace of mind of knowing the software in your Mazda is up to date. The Mazda driver-centric philosophy always puts a priority on safety. If your vehicle is involved in a moderate or severe collision, a call is made automatically to 911 via Bluetooth to your cell phone. Note, the emergency assistance call setting must be turned on in the Mazda Connect system. It's that easy to heighten the convenience, peace of mind, and safety that come with driving a Mazda. You'll enjoy the added awareness of driver and vehicle working as one.